Welcome back. Now, one of the things you'll have to work with from time to time, whether you're working in rows or columns, in titles and labels, is you'll have to work with dates. And you'll want to be able to format those dates in ways that make sense for what it is that you are trying to communicate. So by default, if you were to write in titles, for example, let's say that we want to write across the top, we want to write in January of 2018 to December of 2018. What you're going to notice is that if you write in the words January 2018, Microsoft Excel is going to change the formatting to a default setting. It's going to change it to 1/1/2018. It's going to change this to the month January of 18. However, that may not be the way you want it to appear. And so what we're going to do to change that is we're going to highlight this row. I'm going to do that by clicking inside of the column, and then we're going to click the first row in the column, and that's going to give us control over all the cells in this row. And when you see all those cells highlighted all the way across your sheet, that means then that you're going to be making changes across the entire row. So what we're going to do then is we're going to right click that area. We're then going to click Format Cells. We're then going to click the date. And what you're going to see is you're going to see some default settings for the date. Now, if what you see doesn't necessarily match what you want, what you can do is you can click the Custom area. And what you're going to notice is that there are ways that we can format the date that may be more consistent with what we want. For example, Microsoft Excel says if we want to write the month as January through December, we're going to need to write 4 M's. If we want to express the year, we're going to write 4 Y's. So you're going to notice that there is a sample default setting that's already there. We're going to take this one and we're just going to modify it. So what we're going to do is we're going to take out the dash. We're going to write the 4 M's. We're going to write a space, and then we're going to write 4 Y's. Then we're going to click OK. What you're going to notice then is that automatically Excel then changes those labels to what we want them to be. Or it could be that we're doing a chart, and all we want to have is the first letter. And we can go to Format Cells. In this case, we can probably just go to the Date tab, and you'll see here that there is a setting for just the month where all that will be filled in is going to be the first letter. We're then going to click OK. Then you'll see JFM, which represents January, February, March. So you can work with dates across an entire section by formatting the cells in that section to be what you want them to be. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.